Hey, today we're gonna be doing this makeup. And I'm gonna be talking to my best friend, Nat. Enjoy. Hello, it's me. I already put my primer on, but then I said stuff about some people in real life, and I can't put that in. And then that's Nat in the background. Except now I can't, now I have to unmute it. I put setting spray and I wetted my thing. And then I put that on my hand. LA Girl Pro Coverage White Foundation. It's really good. But I need to put that too. What if it's freshest full name and address in here? Nat! Nat. We should send it to my YouTube channel.
I should. Which just don't know anything. I shouldn't say anything. So I spent opening my personal shake.
You should. I hope the video picks up on you. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be kind of sad, but I can just mute it.
Okay, we got. We're gonna do first. I do this. So I don't think it'll be that big of a deal.
I can tell if I'm running out, but I just ordered some more. Plus better. Oh no, I think
Dude, I have so much makeup I want to order, but I don't want to spend money like that.
Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Can I even open it up? Oh my god, I don't do it. I got it open. There's so much left. Come on, it's not mess around. Okay, I got it open. There's so much left, but for some reason you're not used to. In the straw, it wouldn't come out.
It's probably not good, but I think it's yours here as well.
I think that's okay. I think makeup expiration dates is propaganda from the billionaires, so they buy more makeup.
I also do the thing with their nail polish on like the makeup name thing and brand, so it doesn't rub off. That's pretty smart.
That is pretty smart.
Okay, now peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Dude, peanut butter's like only good in sandwiches and shakes.
Yeah, it's somewhat in other things. I used to eat it like off the spoon, but I don't like peanut butter much anymore.
I don't mind peanut butter that much, but I don't like peanut butter flavored items.
Yeah, like I do like. I make my peanut butter in chocolate shake, but I don't really like Reese's Cups or anything like that.
No, I understand, because it's like overly sweet.
Yeah, it's just too much.
Like, that's not peanut butter. It's not my peanut butter.
Well, it doesn't taste like peanut butter. It's like grainy.
Oh yeah. I am successfully whitened. Yay!
I think I'm gonna get one of those like tiny square cameras and take all of my photos on that for the summer.
Indeed. Wait, dude, you should totally also start a YouTube channel. Like, for realsies.
I really want to.
We can collab. I'm gonna put setting spray and then setting powder. And I use this. I don't know where I get it, but I have it. And then I have Wet n Wild. You know what's great about, you know what's totally awesome about LA Girl and Wet n Wild is they both don't support Israel.
And then I just put some milk.
Wow. That looks bomb, dude. Do you put yogurt in there?
I probably should actually.
That'll make it even more
We
protein.
just have. Yeah, I actually might do that next time I make it. This looks fun.
My sister and her friend are harmonizing right now.
What?
They're harmonizing. Freaking choir kids, bro.
Was your dad a choir kid? He seems like he was.
No, he was a choir kid. He didn't do much, but he sings opera in the house.
He was a My dad does too. I think a lot of dads just sing opera in the house.
Yeah, my mom was a band kid.
This doesn't close right, and it takes forever to like get it to close right.
Okay, I want to tell you the tea.
Sorry.
Wait, I'm gonna pause my filming so that I can tell you the tea.
You look like right now, without anything else on, you look like that one picture of the spider from that one thing.
Wait, my head hurts. Okay, I take blue eyeshadow from this palette that I got in like 6th grade for the Nutcracker. Because fun fact, I did ballet for 14 years.
Wow.
So I take this blue and I put it on my eyelid. Or cut it out.
Apple.
Okay, Apple. So I was talking to Shelly earlier, right? And since me, Apple, and Blue, I like ditched them like a while ago for good reason. I wasn't just ditching because I'm a bitch. I'll beat that out too, bro. I'm not like anywhere near monetized, but okay. So I was talking to Shelly, and Shelly has been iced out by Apple and Blue because she started hanging out with some other people like one time, and then they had a whole freak out about it. And they're like, "You only hang out with us when there's fun." Like, and then they started just not literally, and then they started just not talking about. They just started not talking to her like at all. And they're not talking anymore. So then I was like, oh my god, this is my chance. Because like a year ago, Apple and Blue started being like, mean. Started being a little mean to me. Because I got a BF.
Yeah.
I got my huzz, I got my wife. And we're still together. Because, you know. So I got my huzz, and they started being like kind of mean to me. So I was like, well, what is this about? And it wasn't like that noticeable, but they just kind of just slowly started icing me out of the group. And just like, they'd stop inviting me to things, but like talk about the things right in front of me, but then like not ask if I actually wanted to come. And then, leaving me out of group chats. And like, it's a 4-person friend group. Like, come on, like, I know you're not having a
Yeah.
separate group chat for any other reason other than to just not include me. Oh, this is turning out to be more 80s, I think. Should I just run with it?
Yeah, just run with it.
Whatever, it'll turn out whatever way it turns out. Okay, so then they just decided, and then there's just a bunch of more stuff. And I found out today that they would talk shit to my friend because they're like, oh, he's a weird vibe. He, like, he has not good social skills, so that's annoying, so I don't like him. Like, dude, you don't have good social skills either. Like, they actually said that about him. This is new information.
Why would that be a reason?
I have no idea. So then, they were talking shit about me too. I mean, they're talking crap about me. They're talking crap about me
You have
too.
to say that's bad about
Well,
you.
they were like, well, I don't even know what we did to her. Like, okay, so are you just gonna act like you, like, not speaking to me and kind of starting to pretend like I don't exist and like talking over me whenever I try to talk and then leaving me out of group chats and not planning any hangouts with me, like on purpose, isn't a reason for me to not want to be friends with you anymore. Plus the fact that you talk mad crap about all of your other friends and then act like you're innocent when they don't want to be friends with you anymore. You're like, I don't know why they don't want to be friends with me anymore. And then they're also just kind of like meanies. And my other friend had like some problems with them and they were like really mean about it. And I don't know why I didn't stop being friends with them then. I think I just wanted to keep the peace. But then like it came to a head orientation when I came in and I saw that they had just been like doing stuff in a separate group chat without me all summer. So then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna like stop being friends now. So then I just like never talked to them again. But then Shelly started hanging out with a couple other people. And they took that so personally. And also, Apple took Shelly's dream prom dress and bought it before it was confirmed whether Shelly was even going to prom or not. And then wore it to prom, and then had the audacity to be like, oh yeah, Shelly doesn't really hang out with us anymore. It's just us two. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Like, okay.
Okay, bro.
But Shelly has her faults, because she can be extremely judgmental and also entirely clueless and oblivious to like any wrongdoings ever.
Mhm.
So I'm not like super great friends with her anymore either, because she kind of also stopped really hanging out with me as much. Or like, she also kind of started being weird, like around the beginning of this year, which might have been because I ditched the friend group, because she was nicer to me today when I told her about like why exactly I left the group. But I would like try to hang out, and then she'd be like, I don't know, maybe, like in the way when you like definitely don't want to hang out with someone, but you don't want to be mean about it.
Why are people just like so clueless to how their actions affect other people?
I don't know. I feel like I sound kind of mean right now, but it felt a lot worse then. I totally forgot to describe any of what I was doing, so I'll just like give a review. So, I look kind of crazy right now. I took this blue and I put all over my eyes in a big square, and then I extended it down here. And it was gonna be 20s, but then it ended up being kind of 80s. And then I took this purple and I put here. And then I have this makeup palette that my mom's friend gave me, and I've had it since 8th grade. And I took the blue that fell out. I'm gonna miss this blue when it ran out. Fun fact: I was wearing this blue eyeshadow when my creepy French teacher was like bugging me. It looks a lot sparklier in real life, but it is very sparkly. Okay, I have my under eye spikes. I feel improved. Wait, I gotta put mascara in my eyebrows. There we go. Hell yeah.
Sexy, sexy.
Sexy, sexy. Right here. I'm putting on mascara. If you couldn't tell.
What mascara do you use?
This kind. Il Maquillage. It comes in my mom's makeup packages like almost every time, and she doesn't need that much mascara, so I get to steal it. Okay, now I'm taking the mascara wand, and I'm getting some goop on it, and I'm dotting it all over around here to round it out and make it fuzzier. So I really like how that looks. Okay, I don't mind this. Now I just do my eyebrows, like upturned like that. I should put on some contour on my nose, like blue. Wait, never mind, I don't remember what I was gonna say. The light fell out of my wall. It's scaring me. I got this in 8th grade for a dance show. So bad. Yeah, I got this for 8th grade for a dance show because my teacher wanted us to have clown red lips and gray eyeshadow, which would have been fine if any of us knew how to do makeup, but we don't know. This is from my BF because he's also goth. Dude, there's so much stuff going on in the goth community all the time, especially on TikTok. It gets so toxic. But at the same time, I feel like it's not as bad as the punk scene currently, because the punk scene currently is like kind of buns. The goth scene's only really bad on TikTok because everyone's like picking fights about like copying and stuff. Should I do red? I don't know actually. I think I'll just go full black. This is the long-lasting stuff, and I don't know why I'm putting it on right now because I'm not going anywhere. This is actually cute. I thought it was gonna be kind of bad, but it's cute. I don't even know what I'm gonna do because I'm not going anywhere. Just sitting at home. Because my friends went out earlier, and I was really tired, so I didn't go. And I'm kind of sad. Okay. It's kind of good. It's kind of good. It's not my favorite that I've done, but I like it. Also, the brands that I buy myself, none of them support Israel. However, there are some brands in here that I've gotten from other people or I got a long time ago that do. Like Maybelline and NYX. I'm not sure about Morphe or I don't know. Or a couple of the other stuff in there, but I know Wet n Wild and LA Girl do not support Israel, I'm pretty sure. I looked it up. So I think those products are safe. So now I gotta do my hair. Put on a new fit. But here's the makeup. It's finished. So I did my hair too. I already did my hair today, so I don't know what to do with it. It looks good up like this. I figured that. I was looking really messy, but I got this hair clip. TikTok's weird. I really don't like it that much. Like, I want to post on there because for fun. And it's like the only thing that actually gets views nowadays, but it's so like toxic on there. And it's so stressful. And I have like a band that I'm trying to like get into working. If only I didn't hate every single song I write. But I sing and I play bass. And I feel like I'm gonna post content about that on here eventually. Hopefully soon. I don't know, I feel like I'd be too afraid to post me singing on here. Also, dude, my teeth are throwing me off so bad. So I'm just gonna like try and talk like this so you don't have to see my teeth. But yeah, here's the finished thing. I think I'm gonna yap a little more. You don't have to stick around. But this makeup is cute. Oh my god, it looks good with my hair up like this. It's very 90s. I'm in my pajamas. I'm gonna change fits and then I'll talk some more. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I put on a fit and makeup. So here's the necklaces. I had some long ones, they're lost, and then my other long one got caught on a desk in my English class and broke, which is totally evil. And then I have this, I got it at the Ren Fair. I'm gonna do my fit check. I don't have any bracelets. I don't know why, I always lose them. Okay. Here's the bottom of the dress, here's the top of the dress. And I bought this from a thrift store in Georgia for homecoming. So I went on like a totally cool vacation last year, and I went to New Orleans, and New Orleans is really cool. I love New Orleans. Like, there's not been a day that's gone by where I haven't thought about New Orleans. Even since before I went there. And I blame Bloodletting by Concrete Blonde, because if I hadn't listened to that song, there's a part that goes like, I got the ways and means to New Orleans. That started my obsession. I think I look really cool. I don't know if I should like talk more. I should probably save more talking for like something else. But yeah, this is it. Also, that's my back wall. There's Elvira. And there's a life cycle of the Rainbow Trout poster there. And some of my paintings, which I should show off. And I need to start painting more again because summer's coming up. And then I won't be in school. Bye!